Tools for surface condenser retubing. Powerplant surface condenser retubing requires a controlled work sequence and the right selection of field-proven tools. Initial tube pulling with CP1200. Begin by gripping each old tube with the CP1200 hydraulic puller. In most surface condensers, the tube releases cleanly from the tube sheet under controlled pulling force. Pull it out by 6 inches, leaving enough exposed length for the next extraction stage. Complete extraction using spin air. Next, place the spin air rollers around the exposed tube end. The machine continuously pulls the tube from the condenser while flattening it along its length. This controlled reduction makes long removed tubes more compact, easier to handle, transport, and prepare for recycling or disposal. Cutting seized or broken tubes with Mini Cut 100. Some tubes are stretched too much, are locked in the condenser tube sheet, or break during extraction under pulling load. In these cases, safely insert the KRAIS Mini Cut 100 and cut the remaining tube just behind the tube sheet, avoiding unnecessary damage to the tube hole. Removing the remaining tube stubs using CP1200. When a tube breaks during the pulling process or is deliberately cut using a tube cutter, it is essential to remove the remaining stubs from the opposite tube sheet by employing the CP1200 puller, ensuring that the surface condenser tube hole is thoroughly cleared and free of any obstructions. Expanding the replacement tubes with TES systems. Tube expansion in Powerplant surface condensers can be carried out using tools selected according to operator preference and site conditions. Available options include pneumatic expanders, such as the K50 push and pull, as well as digitally controlled electric systems such as the TES Mini 2 and TES 2000. Trimming and facing the tube ends. Complete the condenser retubing process by setting the required tube projection across the tube sheet. Use the 1WTC 1000 wheel type cutter for controlled trimming, or the Mini Mill 101 with a tube facing head to produce a clean, even finish across all installed tube ends.